Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Battersea Power Station having a tour around the shopping centre and the surrounding area, taking in sights of the River Thames.
And it will be painful because I don't know how to make a burger. Okay?
I think you want to look at it. You're so good. Oh my god.
Tu leur parles en français,
Not much, I want it.
洗澡。
Suffering like crazy.
Oh, hope you enjoyed that little walk round inside the power station. It's been a shopping centre since it reopened in 2022. The recent addition of the lift attraction, which is a separate admission fee. You can go up in the lift. As you see, there's quite a few high-end shops in there and restaurants. Not a bad afternoon out.
We love coming here. The shopping centre's so nice, so clean and tidy. They have so many different things going on throughout the year. At the moment there's a little fairground for the children. Christmas time they have ice skating. I love coming out to see the River Thames and the view.
Yeah, I think we put a short together last Christmas, which had the ice skating rink here as well. So if you look back through the channel, you'll actually be able to have a chance to see that, what this looks like at Christmas. But yeah, we'll just come.
You can see the Uber boat has just collected people from here. Battersea Power Station, taking everybody down to Greenwich. Well, it can go down as far as Greenwich.
Yeah, it will stop you along most of the main attractions along the way. You can stop at Westminster, London Eye, London Bridge, Tower Bridge, and the Docklands, all the way down to Greenwich.
We've picked it up from Canary Wharf and come all the way down to here before. It's really good fun. It's a great ride.
And there's a little bar inside, a little cafe inside. You can get a drink and some light refreshments for the journey, and you've got a choice of sitting inside or out. It's well worth it. You can use your contactless payments, tap in, tap out. And there it goes. Off through the city and out down to Greenwich.
Get fantastic views of Big Ben, Houses of Parliament, the London Eye.
And here at the top of that chimney on the right hand side is the lift that we were talking about, with that separate admission fee. It'll take you up there and give you the 360-degree views of London. Well, thanks for joining us on this short little video we did for you here from Battersea Power Station, where we showed you the shops and the sights of the River Thames and the surrounding area.
Let's visit.
Let's visit.